Hello, good morning, all third standard children. How are you? All of you fine now? Good. Today I teach social lesson, the earth. This is the first lesson of third standard social. What is the name of the lesson? The earth. Understand? Before I start the lesson, I have some easy questions for you. They are: first one, where did we live? Second, where did animals and birds live? Third one, where did rivers and oceans flow? Fourth one, where is mountains and valleys? Fifth one, where we found atmosphere, rock, water, etc. We know the answer for all these questions. Okay, I will give some clue. That is only one answer for all these questions. Are you guess? That is the earth. What is the answer for all these questions? The earth. Understood? So, we are living on the earth. It is the third planet from the sun. Earth is also called as living planet and unique planet, blue planet, and also called as watery planet. Why it is called as unique planet or living planet? Because it has all forms of life like plants, animals, human beings, etc. So it is also called as unique planet because it has gases, atmosphere and water. So it is called as unique planet. 79% of on earth is water. So it is called blue planet. Understood? So first I start the lesson. I show some pictures for you. Look at these pictures. There are 5 objects. One is cone, doll, bat, clock and ball. How many objects are there? There are 5 objects. We circle the object that resembles the earth. You know which object resembles like an earth? I think ball. That is correct, no? So ball is like an earth. Understood? You guess the answer? Okay. So next, I'll read the lesson. You first observe the lesson. You observe carefully. Here the writer explained about the earth. As I walk across the earth, thousands of things I get to see. Birds fly high, soaring higher, and the flowers I hear the buzz of bees. The sun at the dawn rises within the hills, mountains covered with snow, shining like the crown of silver, and the waves touching the cliffs, the waterfalls flowing down, the green blue mountains, rivers forming the dream's delta before entering the sea. And while walking on the beach at night, I feel the cool and sweet smelling breeze. The slashing sound still feels like the sound of love and peace. The moon over the sea, shining like a ball of gold, and his very step my eyes hold wonder. I bend my knees to thank the Mother Earth, and is the truth. It is a great pleasure for me to live in this wonderland. According to writer, when he walk around on earth, across the earth, he see so many things. Birds were flying. The bees buzz around the flower. The sun dawn rises within the hills. The mountains were covered with snow. It is looked like a crown of silver. Who said this? The writer. And also he saw the waves, waterfalls, rivers, deltas, and also at night when he walked on the beach, the weather is very cool and sweet. And also he feel when he walk on the beach at night, the sound of love and hear the sound of love and peace. In that night, the moon like a ball of gold. When the writer see all objects on earth, he become very excited. He says he was become a very pleasure. Then what he do? He bend the knees and tack to the Mother Earth. And he also see it is lucky because he born on earth. So in this way, when you read this paragraph, what do you understand? There are so many things on earth, so many beautiful things, wonderful things on earth. So earth is called as unique planet, beautiful planet, blue planet. Understood? Okay. Next we learn about earth and other planets. What do you learn next? Earth and other planets on our solar system. There are 8 planets. How many planets in our solar system? There are 8 planets. All 8 planets are revolve around the sun. Revolve means suttodu. All planets yaar suttatte? Sun na suttatte. The earth is third planet from the sun. Which are the 8 planets? Do you know? Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. These are the 8 planets. These all planets are revolve around the sun. So Earth is third planet. What is the distance between Earth and sun? Do you know? So the distance between Earth and sun is 150 million kilometers. And also Earth also move around on this its axis. For this is called rotation. The Earth rotate on its axis is how many times they take for one rotation? 24 hours. How many hours? 24 hours. The Earth takes one rotate or spin on its axis. And also Earth revolve around the sun. The Earth makes a complete orbit around the sun. Is orbit means path. Around the sun it takes 365 days. How many days the Earth take revolve around the sun? 365 days. Understood? Earth is also called a terrestrial planet because the Earth is a solid dynamic surface of mountains, valleys, canyons, plains. So Earth is also called as rocky planet and also terrestrial planet. Understood? Next, next paragraph. Next we learn shape and size of the earth. Understood? What do you learn in this paragraph? The earth's circumference and diameter. These are different because its shape is classified as oblate spheroid. Okay. What is the shape of the earth? Oblate spheroid or ellipsoid. So, oblate spheroid means it is flattened. It is a flattened at the poles and bulges at the equator. Understood? Why it is called oblate spheroid? That means it is a flattened at the poles and bulges at the equator. You know which part of the earth is called equator? The middle of the earth is called equator. The edges of the earth is called poles. The equator diameter of the earth is 12,756. The diameter of the pole is 12,714. The difference is 42 km. So this shows the earth is oblate. This proves the earth is oblate spheroid. Understood? And also earth has many deviations. Highest point and lowest point. Which part is called highest point on earth? That is Mount Everest. The height of the Mount Everest is 8,850 meter above on earth. The lowest point of the earth is Mariana Trench in Pacific Ocean below the sea level. So, earth has also many layers. The last layer is the core, which separate the liquid outer core and solid inner core. The outer core is 2300 km thick and inner core is 1200 km thick. Next question is, who proved the earth is round? You know the name of the Aristotle? He is the philosopher of Greek. He says that the earth is round. And also the Columbus, he followed the Aristotle theory and proved the earth is round, but he was died. After that, the Magellan, Ferdinand Magellan, he was the first captain of first ship. First time he completely around the world. He was a Portuguese sailor. He voyaged from Spain and sailed west. After 3 years, his ship reached the same place. When he started the voyage from Spain, finally he reached the same place. This proved that earth is round. Understood, children? So, finally I summarize the lesson learn till now. Okay, what we learn? What is earth? Which are the objects on earth? How many planets in our solar system? What is the distance between sun and earth? How many hours take a earth for one rotation? And how many days take an earth complete one revolution around the sun? And also we learn what is the shape of the earth, why it is The shape of the earth is oblate spheroid. What is the diameter of the earth? Which is the highest point on earth and which is the lowest point on earth? And who proved the earth is round? Who proved the earth is round? Ferdinand Magellan. I think all of you understood this lesson. So, next class I will continue next part of this lesson. Okay? So, till now, take care, be happy. Thank you.